Nykaa, curated versus personalized beauty bundles. This was a 48-hour design hackathon, where our goal was to determine whether Nykaa should introduce curated or personalized beauty bundles to simplify shopping, increase average order value, EOV, and improve conversion rates. To start, we conducted extensive research, including secondary research, primary research, and competitor analysis. Curated bundles. Key benefits: convenience, perceived value, cost efficiency, brand loyalty. Challenges: lack of flexibility, discount-driven purchases. However, curated bundles can still build trust and improve conversion rates by offering per-selected beauty sets. Personalized bundles. Key benefits: customized to individual needs, increased trust, flexibility, reduced returns. Challenges: higher setup costs, data collection requirements. However, 79% of users prefer personalized bundles as they cater specifically to their needs. Why we chose personalized bundles over curated: tailored to individual needs, higher user engagement, conscious purchasing decisions. Market trends favor personalization. Users are willing to pay 10 to 20% more for personalized bundles. This approach not only improves user satisfaction but also aligns with long-term business goals. Ideation behind the screens. To create a personalized beauty bundle, we introduced a personalized quiz. By leveraging this quiz, businesses can enhance user engagement and drive meaningful results. The quiz gathers key details such as gender, age, skin type, skin goals, preferred brands. Based on these inputs, users land on a personalized bundle page that includes a complete beauty routine. This page provides step-by-step routine guidance, options to change products, ability to adjust size and quantity, flexibility to delete products based on user needs. This ensures a customized and user-centric shopping experience, making it easier for users to find products that truly suit them. How we plan to guide users to the personalized bundle section. To drive users toward the personalized bundle section, we strategically placed multiple skincare quiz entry points throughout the app. Small banner on the search page, positioned just above the keyboard to catch user attention while they search. Personalized skincare bundle chip, placed under the product images in the first fold to ensure visibility. Mid-size banner in the product page, located under the highlights section and above the reviews to engage users while they browse. These placements ensure maximum visibility, making it easy for users to discover and engage with the personalized beauty bundle experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. This was just a short video, but you can find the full case study with more details on Medium.